Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into an incredibly useful topic: natural pain relievers. If you're looking for ways to manage pain without always reaching for pills, keep watching. We've got 5 natural options that are not only effective but are also easy to find and use. Let's get right into it. Our first natural pain reliever is turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies show it can help reduce pain in conditions like arthritis, especially when taken consistently. You can add turmeric to your meals, or if you prefer, take it in supplement form. Just remember, a little black pepper boosts its absorption, making it even more effective. Next up is ginger. Known for its stomach-soothing abilities, ginger is also a fantastic natural pain reliever. It works particularly well for muscle pain and soreness after exercise. Studies suggest that ginger can be as effective as some over-the-counter anti-inflammatories. Try ginger tea or incorporate fresh ginger into your cooking for a natural pain-fighting boost. Our third pick is peppermint oil. This essential oil is widely used for pain relief, especially for headaches and migraines. Its cooling effect can help relax muscles and ease tension. Just dilute a few drops in a carrier oil and massage it onto your temples or sore areas. Be sure to avoid applying it near your eyes. Moving on to willow bark. This ancient remedy is often called nature's aspirin because it contains salicin, a compound similar to aspirin. Willow bark can help relieve lower back pain, arthritis, and other types of inflammation-related pain. You can find it as a tea powder or in capsule form. Just remember, since it acts like aspirin, it's best to avoid it if you have certain medical conditions or are on blood thinners. Last but not least, don't underestimate the power of heat and cold therapy. Applying heat can relax tense muscles and improve circulation, which is great for stiffness and chronic pain. Cold therapy, on the other hand, reduces inflammation and numbs acute pain. For quick relief, alternate between the two. It's a simple, drug-free way to manage pain effectively. And there you have it, the top 5 natural pain relievers you need to know. From turmeric to peppermint oil, these options are worth a try for safe, natural pain management. Thanks for tuning into Health Options 101. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and natural remedies. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.